You are the author of this love, and as you lay